Hey guys, welcome back to Office Advice. Today I'm going to show you how to remove grid lines in Microsoft Excel. So just imagine you've got this table in front of you and you want to take a nice looking screenshot of it, but for the screenshot to look really nice, your grid lines need to be removed. To do this, you only have to follow two really easy steps. First of all, you have to click on the View tab, and then in the Show submenu, you have to untick grid lines, and you're done. To activate the grid lines again, you just have to retick grid lines. If, however, you only want to remove the grid lines for a certain part of the table, while they stay visible in the rest of the table, you cannot use this option. In this case, you have to fill the cells you want to remove the grid lines in with white color. To do that, you have to select the Home tab, navigate down to the Font submenu, and select the Fill Color tool. Here, you select white background and click on it. And you're ready. For the selected cells, no grid lines are visible anymore, while they are still visible for the rest of the table. Thanks for watching. I really hope you liked the video. If so, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a great day. See you next time. Bye bye.